Demand for donated breast milk has doubled over the course of the pandemic. The Human Milk Foundation says more mothers have been forced to isolate from their babies and support for those struggling to breastfeed has been reduced. Hannah Shasethi reports.
Baby Indigo is happy, healthy and full of smiles. Rewind the clock 6 months and there were complications with his health and added pressures on new mum Kim.
Yeah, you enjoyed it. The more we got into breastfeeding, the more we noticed the weight was dropping and he became skinny, and then suddenly you hit this whole new concern because you're like, okay, now he's come out of intensive care, he was really ill, formula wasn't really working for him. Our midwife mentioned donor milk. The difference it made to Indigo was huge. He reacted really, really well to it, and also I reacted really well to it because you suddenly don't feel terrified if you've breastfed him and he's still hungry, because he needs a top-up.
Kim is not alone in her need for donor milk. With a reduction in breastfeeding services over the pandemic, such as support groups and antenatal classes, the Human Milk Foundation believes mums have turned to them for extra help.
We've been incredibly stretched here throughout the whole year. The demand from hospitals went up almost immediately as hospitals were ordering in large volumes. But really it's the demand from the community that's gone up over 100%. And we've been supporting mothers who've been in the most desperate circumstances.
Previously, the foundation were providing 80 to 90 litres to support 8 to 10 families per month at home. Now they're sending up to 250 litres of donor milk to families.
Donated breast milk is also relied upon in hospitals. By using donor milk, babies in neonatal units don't have to rely upon intravenous nutrition.
If we weren't able to have the donor breast milk, then obviously there would be a delay in that process, and that would also mean a delay in establishing feeds and milk feeds for that baby, and that may be detrimental to their ongoing progress.
It's a process that's provided a pillar of support for families and helped little ones at the start of their lifelong journey. Hannah Shasethi, Sky News.